In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to find center of polygon using ET Geowizards in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So if I open ArcGIS and I bring in a bunch of polygon, this is a polygon and it has various polygons. So if I want to find the center of each of these polygons, one of the easiest way is to use an extension called ET Geowizard. ET Geowizard is an extension you install and link to ArcGIS. In another video, I show you how to download and install ET Geowizard. So to find the center of each of these polygons, open ET Geowizard. Then here you see various operations you can perform. So to perform our exercise, it will be polygon to point, polygon to point. If you click on it, it will tell you more in this dialog box about all the operations you can do with this tool. For example, under input, you can input a polygon feature layer, and the conversion options there, we have vertices, we have labels, we have center, and we have center inside. You can read more about each of these operations and what the result will be. For instance, like this center inside, so points representing the centroid of the polygons. If the centroid occur outside of the polygon, the point is moved to be in the polygon. So let's demonstrate it to see. So to do that, double click. Then here, select polygon layer. It will be this our layer. Click on this drop down and select the layer. So the second step is to specify where you want to save it. So let's just save it here as points. Then click on save. Then click on next. Now here you have different options you need to specify. So specify conversion options. You have vertices, labels, centers, center in, and deepest point. The difference in them, you can try each of them and see the difference. For example, if you choose centers, it will put the point at the center and it may be outside the polygon. But if you choose centers in, it means even if the point fall outside, it will be dragged inside the polygon. So let's go with these centers in and see the result. So check the specified conversion options and click on finish. So it will run and put points at each of the center of the polygon. Then click on OK. You can now close this interface. So you can see it has put points at the center of each of these polygons. For example, this very polygon, this is the center, and this one, this is the center. So finding the center of polygon, the easiest way to do it is to use ET Geowizard to find the center of each of the polygon. So this is how to find center of polygon in ArcGIS using ET Geowizard. And if you come back here, right click the layer you used and open the attribute table. This is the attribute of this layer. Then if you open the points, right click and open the attribute table, you can see the attribute table of this, that it copy it into the result generated. So in essence, this is how to find the center of polygons in ArcGIS using ET Geowizard. Thank you for watching.